Hi, I'm Adam from Dynamic Heating, and today we've been called to a very valuable customer of ours, and they have no central heating or hot water. She went to have a shower this morning and it was cold water. So we've been called here and we have a Vaillant Ecotec Pro 28 here. Now the first thing we can see is that we've got an F22 code and 0.3 bar. We asked the customer, or I asked the customer, if she'd done anything or had anything unusual happen overnight, and she turns out she had a cold radiator, and she went on YouTube and discovered you can vent the radiator. When you do this with a combination boiler, with any combination boiler, after you've got water out the radiator, you have to top the boiler up. If you don't, you'll get low pressure and you'll get a code. On the Ecotec, on the Vaillant, it's F22. So what we do to rectify this, we then bring the screen up. So we have it now, okay? So we'll press any button and it'll bring a light on the boiler. As you can see, F22.3. So what we're going to do now is below here, we've got called a filling loop. So how we're going to do this is we open one lever up. It'll only go one way, up, down. And then you're going to follow with opening the other one. And when you watch closely, if you open it gently, here we go, you start hearing water going into your system. Now make sure you open it gently, you don't open it right up because you could allow too much water in. So all we do now, we can see that it's reverted back to the main screen. On the side here, we've got the pressure gauge. And if you see, this black line here is above here. Now what you can do on the Vaillant to see how much pressure you do have in there is you press any button to bring the light on and you've got a radiator sign. Press the button underneath and now you'll see your temperature flashing. Ignore that, you can see bar. Press the button, bar, and as you can see you're between 0.9 and 1 bar. We need to get that up ideally to 1.2. So gently open it up, let those numbers go up, and we're on 1.2. Press the revert button and we're now on the main screen. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to check the timer. I'm going to turn it on, make sure the central heating is going to come on for our customer. And just it's on manual, so there we go. Give it 5. Here we go. Radiator sign on. The boiler's now engaged. It's now working. Unfortunately, I've been called for this, so the customer will be charged, but this is something that you could do at home. And away we go. The boiler should kick in any minute. There we go. Work it.